Someone said, the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. That's exactly how we move. First day, first step. You want to walk that extra mile. Want to build something? Embrace technology to improve your potential. Start a business and become an entrepreneur. Become employable and lead a better life. Want to be the best in the industry? Look no further. Come along and become a part of the growth story of India. Come and join us under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to make India a 10 trillion economy. An ambitious and one-of-its-kind Skill India mission aims to create a pool of skilled youth for a growing economy. The Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, with the support of all oil PSUs, IOCL, ONGC, GAIL, HPCL, BPCL, OIL, EIL, and Bama Lorry have set up Skill Development Institute in Odisha, managed by Indian Oil, to empower youth with internationally accepted, job-specific skills spread over 46 acres of land. SDI is a professionally run, multi-skilling institute of international standards, imparting world-class skill courses for the Indian youth and training them at par with global standards. SDI offers various short and long-term industry-specific courses through state-of-the-art centers of excellence in partnership with leading industries, offers courses in mechanical, automobile, IT and Industry 4.0. Choose the right skill and open the doors to a bright future. Skill Development Institute, Bhubaneswar. Skilling youth, enhancing livelihoods.